Good morning everyone. Myself Kausa Momin, 9th standard subject Science 1, chapter number 13 Carbon, an important element. In this chapter today we are going to discuss about biogas plant. Animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get composed by anaerobic microbes in a biogas plant. This produces methane gas, also called biogas. What is biogas? Animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get decomposed by anaerobic microbes in biogas plant. This produces methane gas and which is called as biogas. Biogas is a very cheap fuel option which meets the demand for cooking gas. Whatever methane presents, that methane present in our cooking gas. It is also used for production of an electricity. Biogas contains about 55% to 60% methane and the rest is carbon dioxide. Biogas is a fuel which is convenient to use, and in addition to this, a very good manure is also produced as a side product of the process. I'll show you biogas plant. This is the diagram for biogas plant. Here wall chamber is there. Exit of gas chamber this side, pipe is connected, and whatever dunk we have to insert in it, that dunk we can insert from this way. This is overflow tank. If some mixture is getting overflowed, then that is coming from this side, and this is the biogas plant. Let's go ahead with the video of this process. Biogas production process. Biogas production is an anaerobic process. It takes place in two stages. First is production of acids. The microbes acts on the biodegradable complex organic compound and produce organic acids. Point number 2, methane gas production. The methanogenic bacteria act on the organic acids to produce methane gas. This is methanogenic bacteria. Through this we are getting methane and carbon dioxide is removed from it. Here you can observe biogas plant working. This is the construction part. You can observe the naming given: gas chamber, inlet, outlet and shovel. Through this we are inserting the cow dung in it, whatever the tree leaves and all. After few days it will create a gas, and that gas is coming out from the outlet. See, you can observe gas is creating. Through this pipe gas comes out, and we can use that gas as to cook. Okay, if you switch on the stove, it will gives you heat, and whatever overflow, that will go from this side. This is the plant to create a light, electricity. You can observe here biogas chamber. The wall structure is there. Slurry tank is over here. Whatever mixture that we have to insert through this tank in the wall of chamber inside the land. You can observe here overall construction is under. Now here in this way we are inserting in it. Now here it is creating an gas, biogas, or we can say it as methane gas, and that is coming out through this pipe, the upper side pipe you can observe there. Through this electricity can create, and whatever overflow that will goes on this direction. See, electricity is creating, and the whatever slurry part is that we are using for farming and all. This is the last topic of this chapter. Here your chapter is going to get over, and you have to draw this diagram for biogas plant, which is important and which can come for exam also. So please draw this diagram. Thank you.